Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. So AMC Squeeze is now trending again on Twitter, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, see exactly what's going on. As we know, AMC did have one of the best performing days that we've seen in months since the beginning of this year, near the beginning, around March, April. We ain't seen no move or jump in AMC like that in months. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's been going on, what's brewing up. And also what you should pay attention to is AMC is doing this alone, not doing it alone. Of course, the overall market is going to move up accordingly as well. It's oversold, but we know we still have that in the back of our mind that we could come down for Bitcoin to 10K and for the overall market could drop even more. And unless the overall economy drastically have a shift like we starting to see. As we know, we could be less aggressive with hiking interest rates on this month. Also less aggressive with tightening balance sheets and inflation cooling off a bit. With things of that nature happening, we could possibly transition over into a bullish market. Still, going to be choppy up and down, but overall, after a few months, you'll see that we continue to make higher highs and higher lows, turning over into a bullish market, guys. But that's not going to happen unless the economy drastically change from where we currently stand at, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Stocks fall on hotter than anticipated November jobs report. So we know job reports come out on the first Friday of every month of the prior month. So Dow slides 200 points. Stocks slid Friday as investors digested hotter than anticipated jobs data, which worried investors looking for signals that the Federal Reserve can begin slowing interest rate hikes. The Dow Jones dropped 224 points. S&P 500 lost 0.8%. So stocks are falling and treasury yields are climbing after the monthly job report showed employers added 263,000 jobs in November, more than the 200,000 expected on Wall Street. The Fed, meanwhile, is expected to move ahead with a half percentage point interest rate rise this month. So if we take a further look, guys, we see that employers created 263,000 jobs, even as a wave of layoffs in the tech industry made headlines. So we know Facebook, Twitter, you name it, all these companies, Carvana, they've been firing some over half their staff. Like Carvana, they done laid off over half their employees. They laying off thousands of people at a time. Twitter and laid off thousands of people, over 3,000 people. So even during this, though, we see that was only a slight drop from the revised figure of 284,000 jobs for October. The unemployment rate was steady at 3.7%, while wages have risen 5.1% over the year, more than expected. And that's the thing, guys. Wages still haven't rose to equal out to where inflation has risen to. It's still putting people more behind than they were before inflation even took place. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on, guys. So as we know, AMC. Today we came down, tested the low eights. Told you guys we should hold up firmly there. We did break it here, coming down to 792. Market makers is looking to do that. They looking for stuff like that because if everybody's focusing on that $8 line and it breaks 8, that's a sell signal for a lot of day traders, short-term investors, people with millions of dollars on the line just for short-term purposes. They would sell out as soon as it cracked 8. Not soon, but if it came down to $7.95 and 5 cents under 8, they like, okay, let me get out of there. See how it came down to 792 and popped right back out because it was just taking out some of those stop losses. So now we're sitting at $8.37, guys, looking like we're ready to possibly see an aggressive move on this Friday. Usually on Fridays, people is getting out of positions. They're going to be in that cash position going into the next week, especially choppy times, uncertain times in the market like now. But being for the fact that we do have some good catalysts going our way with, inflation coming down a bit. Interest rates you could see a smaller interest rate hikes in the near future. That's going to help the market in return be a bit more bullish. So if we also take a look at Tilray, guys, we got that on our radar. Also a hot penny stock, Cosmos Holdings, ticker symbol COSM. I alerted that in VIP this morning, guys. So that's definitely, I believe, could be a hot penny stock, even though like I told you guys, once I get in penny stocks, I usually be one time and done. But if price action never lies, if the price action is still there, it's holding up, the volume is there, you know, and then we could possibly see about getting in it again. So Cosmos Holdings, I did start a position in that as well, guys, a small position, and it's looking like it's ready to blow up again as well. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. Watch out for spam, WhatsApp, all that good stuff. Get your free stock down below. I love y'all. Y'all, God bless you.